This video should be used in combination with the installation instructions provided with your Hydroblock products. If you have any questions, contact your Hydroblock representative before you start installation. Custom benches can be made of either 1.5-inch thick or 2-inch thick Hydroblock building board. Determine your overall size and cut the required parts from the Hydroblock building board using a circular saw. For a corner bench, you'll need to cut the ends of the front panel at a 45-degree angle on each side. Dry fit the bench parts and check for proper size and fit. Note that the two supports on the back do not need to be continuous. Apply generous beads of Hydroblock joint sealant to the back side and bottom of the support pieces and press firmly into place. Apply Hydroblock joint sealant to the sides and bottom of the front panel and press into proper position. Apply Hydroblock joint sealant to the back sides of the bench top board as well as to the top of the front panel and back supports. Press the top piece into place. Use more pressure at the front of the bench to provide slope to allow water to run off. Apply additional sealant to all seams and trowel flat with a putty knife. Hydroblock, the better shower system. Visit us online at hydroblock.com.